And we're still continuing to track some of those slippery conditions out across mid-Missouri. The latest look at that radar as we get you into that lunchtime hour. Again, the bulk of, at least the heaviest of this, is now transitioned off toward the easternmost counties, east of Highway 63. Still going to be expecting, though, some treacherous travel in a lot of locations here. Any of those purple shaded counties, you got a winter weather advisory until about midnight. So again, this is going pretty far into tonight. That evening commute, most importantly, likely going to be in a little bit of trouble, especially the further south you travel. You get into that winter storm warning, those pink shaded counties, Pulaski and Phelps, again dealing with a little more numerous issues out on some of those roadways. And this is part of the problem. Again, those road temperatures have just been a struggle to warm up, but we're starting to get there in some spots, inching closer to that freezing mark. Again, with a little bit of that salt out across mid-Missouri should be fairly effective. But looking at those road conditions, again, I don't want to give you the wrong idea. They're still slick as we get into this afternoon and likely staying slick as we get into tonight. Again, whatever we've got on the roads by this evening, probably there to stay because we're getting all the way down into the teens for overnight lows. It's going to take until tomorrow and we get a little bit of sunshine on the situation. That'll help out some of those streets. There's those teens I mentioned, those overnight lows falling as we continue to kind of shut off some of that snow and sleet throughout this evening. By tomorrow, there's that sunshine, getting those temperatures closer to freezing as we close out this work week. Getting into Saturday and Sunday, we've actually bumped up those temperatures just a touch into the weekend forecast, looking a little bit more doable as we close it out, especially into the 50s. And it doesn't stop there. Looking at that Climate Prediction Center 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we've got good news on the horizon as we get into next week. Looking fairly mild across the area. Certainly a sight for some sore eyes. Much needed warm weather that's headed our way as we get into Mardi Gras next week. Back into the upper 50s by Tuesday. Getting into Wednesday, knocking on the door of 60 degrees.